Hi everyone, happy Wednesday. I just wanted to pop on and show you that I have 5 toppers on sale this week. So I have this one, the Bangkok Brown. I have the dark Paris Brown, dark Copenhagen Blonde, the darkest brown natural black, and also the Bombay black. And they are all marked down $500. So that's like a $200 or more savings. So I'm going to keep these marked down this week. These will be a final sale item. And because they're already kind of customized, other than this one here, and this one is too dark to really customize. It's already been dyed. We're not going to do any customization on these. So if you purchase these, they come as is. But this is an amazing deal for those of you who want to get started with toppers. And they're all different lengths. So hopefully you'll find something that you love. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'd be happy to help. Hope you ladies have a wonderful day.